Wish me luck. So today we are making rope coasters. I got my supplies from the dollar store, rope and some cork board. I'm gonna open these up with zip ties. Scissors time. I find that crafting helps me with my anxiety. I feel anxiety in many ways, including mental and physical symptoms. And it's definitely fun to put a direction towards your focus. So you're not focusing about other things, you're focusing about what you're making, creating. I get anxious and restless and then I don't know what to do. So I have stockpile supplies for these situations and I just think of what I want to do and do it. Setting up my little glue gun. Plug that in. So we're going to start by taking the plastic ends off these rope and untangling a little bit. We're going to take the backer from the sticky cork board and we're going to take it all the way off. Then we're going to take the rope and stick it right in the middle and start twisting it around itself until you get to a size of your desired coaster. I did mine to fit a mug or a big water bottle because I use a giant water bottle. It stuck rather well to this very sticky cork board to the point where I was unsticking it to restick it because it was stuck in the wrong place. This is a fun and simple activity, but a little tricky with the sticky. Now I'm trying to get type against itself. And I want to push the little ends of the thread down into the sticky part. And then I will glue it so it has a solid edge. I am not proficient in hot glue gun. And I have a high heat tolerance, so I tend to get it stuck on my fingers and burn myself trying to push it down to the right place. Then I took my scissors and I just cut around the circle of the rope, trying to get as close as possible. The sticky paper stuck to the scissors, so it's best to take it slow when cutting sticky paper. Ugh, it sticks to the scissors and to my hands. There you go. So I noticed some parts in the middle were coming undone, so I stuck some hot glue inside. Again, not using hot glue correctly, but it stuck it down and a rope coaster.